be showing you how to make chips, corn chips. First, you just get some corn tortillas. If you go to Mexican restaurants and those light, crispy chips, if you can find some thin tortillas that make the thin corn tortillas, that's what makes those real light, thin, crispy chips. These are a little thicker, so we'll work with what we got. You're just going to want to cut them in half. And there you got 4 chips out of 1 tortilla. Okay, you cut your tortillas up into fourths. Now what you're going to want to do is place them in this hot, I got some hot oil here on the stove. Be careful when you drop them in here so you don't splatter yourself. The key thing when you're doing these is you don't want to put too many at a time and have them laying over each other. Otherwise, they're going to cover parts of the other chip and they're going to end up soggy and not crispy. So just keep them moving. That way they don't cover each other. Okay, I'm going to take these out. Gonna just try to get the excess oil off there. As I do that, I keep going with more. Now that I got these out of there, while they're still warm and they got this oil, like a thin coat of oil on it, you can salt them. However much salt you prefer, and then get ready for the next batch. Here you got a nice little batch of corn chips that are homemade, easy to make.